Yeah.
Come on, you look nice.
I'll try to catch her on the face.
Yeah, I get the face, man. Give me the name I got catch. That's one a friend like that, but associate, you get me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, a long.
You watch what go on?
Yeah, man, and with the pan of ground same, man. Yeah, Omar them come across all the time. Mark Bowling them, Sarah. And the rest of them just come check in with everyone. Yeah, do some positive moves. I mean, police some more time than talk, asking me.
Okay,
Understand? So the social media blogger, the person who come from Trenchtown, rise up and try some influential things, build houses.
Yeah.
That's and help students and so on. It's very, very important. You're a very, very important aspect of the development of our community.
True.
Greater Trenchtown, because some people believe the Trenchtown is a 7th Street.
No.
The whole place are greater
Trenchtown. Now I tell them to Trenchtown go. Okay, so that day me have also have 15,000 as well to from Rose and her husband to help out a situation.
As a good thing to learn and give thanks, because when I first have seen them, see me I get a little trouble.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
General. All is well. Well. Blessed love to have some back here in Tower Hill. You know, back here in Tower Hill with the mother of 7. You know, Elizabeth, you know, who was getting some support to help out her situation. So we're here now to get an update on how it's been going on with clearing out the yard. So back here, you know, this is my next stop here in Tower Hill, you know, which is I think Kingston 11. I think so. So we're in Tower Hill, you know, it goes already. So we're going to check out what's going on. Blessings, Pops.
Blessing, love, my family.
All is well.
So far, I'm good, you know?
Okay. You got, man. You got. Yeah, go and run some current, you know?
And the machine, I want to go check for, you know? I want to go down there, so I'm going to check for them.
The white one there?
Yeah.
Oh.
The done sort of that one already, just.
Oh, are you fix it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You fix it for someone?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and that one you fix already?
Yeah, so that one I check for, you know?
Aye. So there's around some extra current so you can plug in.
Yeah, I run the extension, it can go down this, you know?
Yeah. You're a real handy man. You fix anything. Anything, any appliance. You notice that you fix it.
Yeah, from a life, and I to put life in it, you know.
Sure.
And the heart start beat like when I got a public hospital and put up on surgery.
Yeah, and the other beat. Yeah, clear. So you would have bring back all the appliances to life.
Put in back liver, tribe, kidney.
Everything in it.
Yeah,
put in back everything in it. Yeah, well,
the beat,
I'm saying you never give up on your trade, you continue, you know. Everything. Where's your local son? Am I right now?
He not come from school yet, in soon come now.
Oh.
School supposed to over, you know, but he would have stop on a ramp with his friend. You know, best time of my personal life, or when you're a little bit, you know, you come up, you know. At the best time of your life, that.
You get all the freedom.
Get all of the freedom, you know, responsibility. 3 meals a day, no rent to pay, no one to more than mama and papa.
Exactly, nothing at all. To when time reach your age, when you say, yo,
yeah, when you
reach 18,
19, you know, your time no be carry across.
You go feel the burden, you know. See, you know, so the
you
best
know what
time.
it is all about, you know.
Know what it's all about, though. But you've been good otherwise, you know.
Yeah.
Can't complain. She's that.
Yeah.
Always keep it positive, see me, man. That's one thing with you.
Definitely, you know.
Always.
Yeah, we don't know negative, you know. We have to deal with the positive at all time, you know. Although we have to come across negative, you know.
True.
But we have to just know, say, put positive in front, you know. All time, yeah.
All time. Because it's there, you know. It's there.
Yeah, kind of Lucifer let loose, you know. Lucifer in generation, them left loose.
So they might do for them work.
Yeah, they might do for them work. You know, put in for them, because I know a 2 road before them, you know, they might pick them choice, you know, heaven or hell, you know. So, who want to go hell, go hell. Who want to go hell, go hell.
And that is it. That is it, man. So that's the current now, well said.
Yeah, you know. I'll put it together, you know.
So positive to positive. Negative to negative.
Yeah, you know.
So it work. The two of them work together, see you, man.
Yeah, man.
You realize positive and negative.
Yeah. That's why Lucifer feel like him can't test it,
Catch you
I try to do all I'm best, you know.
to overthrow.
Overthrow the king, you know. That can't work.
So much shock you get in your life doing them things,
Eh?
Much shock you get in your life.
I get it from start. From start.
Current and lick you.
Sometimes we run from it, but we have to face it, you know.
Yeah.
And it's a part of the thing, you know. Part of the work.
What the most dangerous hit you ever get from current?
220 ever lick me, you know.
220 lick you?
Yeah, man, 220 lick me already, man. That's smoke come out.
The 220 lick your smoke come off of you.
Smoke come off of me when I'm a friend of you and piece of board and lick me off of it.
Yeah.
Because the way it hold me.
Sure.
You can move. The man have to love you and piece of board, man, and
Lick you off.
lick me off of it. Yeah, hard lick though. Just to ease me off of it.
Yeah.
It let me go. I don't go wear that.
Yeah.
You know?
220. Wait upon a house stop. Oh. Hey, wait, upon your hand?
I want to tell you say that. It's a drill we are using, you know. I bore some hole pan a panel bus, you know. But I stand up on the drum with the raw end where we connect. Rest on the drum.
Oh.
On the iron drum, so. I say, hold me on something.
Oh, so you lean up on the drum?
No, the raw end. It never the tape up.
Okay, so your foot touch it?
The raw end go rest on it when you hold up my hand, so. The raw end we let down. Go rest on the drum when me stand up on.
Okay, so the drum when you stand up on. Hold you?
Yeah. I lick it, my virgin have to lick me now.
See where the barefoot?
Me have a little slip on, like a piece of slippers, man, one little piece of slippers, but you me never that penetrate there.
So 220 there.
Yeah,
So the slippers they couldn't start the 220.
Yeah, me never that penetrate the raw end, you know.
Oh. So like slippers they couldn't start the 220.
Yeah, couldn't stop it, you know.
thing ain't so current dangerous, you know.
Man, the hearing and I stand up to blow and taste a smoke come off of me.
Sometimes you have to take bad things for joke, you know.
Yeah, smoke come off of me, man.
Yeah, a good thing in the day, because if you never did it, you fry you.
Yeah, frightened too. And she said, dead, me are dead. But you in there so close, the only thing you could have done. Drop a piece of board.
And just lick your...
Yeah, just lick me off of it.
I know.
So me escape the judgment there.
That
I tell her the testimony, I know.
Yes, I.
Yeah, bro.
Living testimony. So, I'm going to go check your data still and check it load up and what go on.
Yeah, man.
You know, because I know last time, come so she could do some clearing up and things, so. I give the viewers them an update.
Yeah, which is right.
What's been popping, so them see where the money go to, you know.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. So if I big up Pablo, so I'm a circular, yeah?
Yeah, man. Which is right.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Bless up, see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Every time.
Alright, so I will also give thanks to Pablo as well from Canada. Pablo to send the money for her to clear out the yard, as well too for the removal of the truck and to get the building down. So far as I can see, wow, blessed space in the yard. Elizabeth, still have some more things to clear out.
Yeah.
Where's your mommy? Call your mommy. Go on. Mr. Big changes in the yard. Yeah.
Big changes.
Yes. So update. Someone. Wow. See it there. So all the viewers them. This is the update from the building that was here with a lot of stuff them. So I guess the building come down.
Oh, that's how go work now. The man can't go work right so cause this no lit down it because they need for help. She need for help my father to pay for get one to clear out this car. Him one can't do it till feet get for do. Unless she have to lick off it and the man would have to bring up the whole wall one time till she can go back to the police.
Yeah, cause this would have to get clear because of the yard so you could have get space.
Yes, I mean you get that spot there. Him say more again for extension of the need the help to get by black. But she have to just focus on right this.
So you have to get someone to clear the wall yesterday.
To be able to kids them want extend this, they can have them on and so forth.
The wall here so clear out, you know. So you have to try and see if you can get somebody to clear it out, you know. Probably a labor cost. A whole heap of stuff it look like in the door.
You can open the ceiling. Them pack come straight to the door and open and they go to the ceiling.
Yeah, I saw your father stack them up so?
Yeah.
Jesus, I'm crying.
Come on.
Yeah,
because we need the space.
Yeah, we need the space.
I get big and
but you not forget a truck. A big truck, you not forget to go move
get
out.
some person to move them. But you know him have to go taking time to look to where more and when we go sell out his proper and where that shit.
So imagine inside his eye has a ceiling and you have outside ceiling you almost reach the top. You know, there's a lot of clearing out as I can see. There's a lot of clearing out in that building. Seriously. As I can see, but still have some more stuff left in the yard to clear up. But yeah, the place light up like a Christmas. So having everything clear out now, you know, so there's a more beauty. See me, you know, more lighter. You know, so finally we can see how far the house go. Elizabeth. Finally we can see. So and we can finally can see so around here, so right now as well too.
So that's a grand roll as a rat meal. I think confused to cover it. That's why you see the open zinc for couple.
Yeah.
So I have to tear bowl rat meal.
Rat nose. Well, so, you know, we have to give thanks to Pablo. You know, Pablo from
Thank you
Kenya.
very much, Pablo.
And thank to all
God bless him.
to all our excellent family. As you can see, the yard clear out. And so explain to me how the workout.
A whole heap of, remember we decided a 2 trip?
Yeah.
The man did have to make 5 trips and work with the same look out. Because I have to talk to him and he work with the same look out change. I trust somebody will know. Yeah, so this now, I want to use for communicate and click look about one carrot.
Oh. So, well, a 5 trip. The
Yeah,
amount of
man,
stuff.
Jesus, for the amount of something. Remember we look on and I say, other estimate and I say, I would have two. The amount, I think some still run at the front, so I hit the line pack up. Well, about them in a cockroach bag. A whole heap of trip, a whole heap of something. Never this how it got up to the ceiling of the Jesus. One whole heap of something.
We up to the ceiling.
Yeah. I remember some did outer door.
Yeah.
Some did all the side there so. So a whole heap of something.
We'll give thanks to the start.
You drop.
Give thanks. No, I find out what 40 leg I run up and down.
More than rat round.
Alright.
And roach.
Hey. So this. So that's then I left now. So somebody I get the cat and come clear them out and everything. So.
I'm asking for something. I'm soon gone.
Yeah.
So just the foundation more to start now.
So once you are clear, now the man can start doing thing, right? You know, so this was the main thing to get out the yard. So you know, so at least now you can know which part.
We need the help now for the foundation. Start.
Yeah.
And that's join it on to this and black up right. So that's just so. Now go ugly.
It's a great look now, you know. It's a great look now than how it was before. So, little by little, everything is clearing out as I can see. I have to thank all the extended family, which is all the donors. Them, we thank you so much that helped out Elizabeth, you know, and Pablo from Canada.
Yeah.
You know, she thank you so much.
And all the rest of the team, thank you very much. Pablo and all the rest of the team, thank you very much.
So you can see where the money went, you know. Yeah. So the truck man, he'd have to end up paying more?
No, same amount.
Same amount.
Him just work with it because him that think a 2 trip. But him that for help him was help and not to get rid of the rubbish.
Yes, because at the end of the day, he make a mistake until it's a 2 could have do it. But when him go inside and realize my life.
Holy, oh God.
Yeah, they go right all the way up to the ceiling. Wow. And still have some more left. So you just come in from work?
Yeah, just come in and say, a good thing I call me 10 times, I call them time, and I say, geez, I'm there. If you ever stay a little bit more,
yes.
I miss them.
Yeah, miss me. I have to end up coming circle back another day. You know, but I'm glad they never miss me, so we can come see what's going on, you know? And get this thing out the way. So this is how it is, all our viewers there, you know, Miss Elizabeth, mother of 7, you know, they can see the situation, how she's living, so she got some support to help out, you know, and here was like a big pile, a heap of so much old stuff, as you can see, some of them new appliances that don't use, you know, and so most of it's come out, so she's trying to build her foundation, you know, which is she's gonna attach from here, you know, and try to come out here because she and her 7 kids them, you know, because our situation within the room, so we can show her.
The space.
Yeah, and I'm gonna need a space. So you know, we always get new viewers every day, so I always update them so they can see the situation of how you're living with your 7 kids. You know, so this is your bathroom here, so I always do it. This is your bathroom inside here where you can literally stay from inside and see outside, you know, this is the bathroom here, and you can see this is it. So she and 7 kids live inside here, and her kitchen here, roofing, you know. Oh Lord. So as you can see, our roof is dropping down.
I when the storm they come, I when the storm come,
Yeah.
pull it down, over water shower down and pull it down.
So now she use the cutlass on top of one buckle to hold it up just in case it not drop down. Just in case it not drop down, you know, and wow.
For the situation.
This I forgot end up come down.
So guys, I'm gonna need my help and I'm gonna need strength because without one I can't make it. And without the help of God, so I'm just pray that God touch on me, help me, and so I can reach out to me.
Yeah, so and she work as well too, you know. So the work, you know, she work, we know the work what she do, she hardly can make ends meet for she and 7 kids, you know. So you can see she have 2 bed here, another 2 bed around there as well too. So this is the situation of how she's living, you know. So Elizabeth, so we're gonna hope and pray, you know, someone can reach out and help you anywhere we can. This is not really looking good. Plus the kids them in here as well, you know. The roofing, as you can see. You know, so
I'm gonna need the help urgently because situation is bad.
you know, when Father God says time, you know, it will definitely be the time.
Yes.
You know, so whenever the time appears for it to happen, you know, because you never know what can happen. So you have to just work on prayer, you know, and believe, so you will get the help, you know, and then it will definitely come true. You know, so this is Elizabeth's situation at the minute. So as I say, she just asking for any support she can get, anything at all when she can give. You know, she already got some zincs already, purchased some zincs already, you know, and the zincs them when they're on top of the old stuff around there, right? Okay, so you can see them? Oh. Yeah, she said so the zinc. Oh, they're the end there, so. So. Oh, no, I can't see it, man. So basically, she put the zinc them on top of the old stuff because of this PS that was in the yard. So you should have to rest the zincs them on top of this rooftop at the minute, you know. So she got some zincs already. You know, she would need some blocks. She gonna need some cement. She gonna need steel. She gonna need sand and gravel. You know, so if anything, you know, anyone can help her with, you know, we kindly appreciate it and we thank her so much. No matter how small it is, you know, one cocoa full basket, you know. And let me say, every liquor make a mucker. So we give her thanks to anything what she can get because of the situation right now that she's facing with she and 7 kids. You know, as I said, she work, but the work is hardly can make ends meet for her to feed she herself plus 7 kids. So that's 8 mouths to feed. You know, so thank you so much, Pablo from Canada. You know, thank you so much for help out the situation. So the yard well clear and nice. And for all the donors there, which is extended family that played a part in helping out Elizabeth, we thank you also.
Thank you all.
As well.
God bless you all. Continue to support because it's well needed. May God continue to fill all of your baskets. May you never go hungry. May God continue to bless all your families. Thank you very much. We will appreciate it. Thank you. I couldn't have done it without you guys. So thank you very much. Thank you.
And it's a start, you know, it's a start. So you have the space now, you know, if any could change where you get, any could think where you save back, you can buy some blocks and you can go and store them up in the yard, you know, liquor by liquor. You could have 50 or 100, you just go and buy them and put them down, you know, till the winter time. You can start digging your foundation and things. So liquor by liquor, you can buy some stuff to help out, you know what's going on. Yeah, you know them can pack in the yard, you know. And the zinc them see me can pack along there what's on the roof now. So you get the zinc as well. Cause Cause the zinc is what cover everything, so at least you have that now, it's out the way. So now you will definitely get there slowly but surely. Right, so Elizabeth, as I said, we'll keep you up to date, we'll keep you in prayers, you know, hope for the best, you know, for come out of this situation. So pick up yourself, you know, and go and put in the work, see me, yeah?
Big up and thanks, guys.
Alright, and so bless up. So that is it, guys, that is it. So yeah, man, no problem. Yeah, man, no problem. So that is the situation. Young man, you just come from school. Oh, you feel better now? You see your daddy around there fix stuff.
I can't lift up the door.
Can't lift up the door? So, come here. I will to push it from all the curtain. And I push it. See there? You have to lift it. Oh, the door fall apart. Okay. Oh, I don't want to damage this anymore. No. So wait there. May I go in? Okay, hold on. Do you want to fix? Come, see, you can go in now, right? Do you want to fix? Alright, so that's Elizabeth dad, and that's our little brother as well too. So that's the last one we have. So daddy was firing same way. Because you can see most of the stuff them when they was packed up, them lean up. And the daddy they're around here, so I want to fix 1 and 2 stuff. It's fixed now. Bring it back to life. See, you know, it was dead. Now it's alive.
Yeah, live.
Give it life.
Live, I put in a thing.
And so just if I the door and fix. Come in after I lift it.
Yeah, when it was fixed, man, I'll fix it, man. I'll just show me again that time. So if I look at that, we can feed him and sell him to school. You know, we can't tell him so not go on.
Yeah. True.
You can't no respond to that part.
No, we have a parents, you have to be the parents.
You want to get to do, you know?
Yes, sir, yes.
That it take up time. So I do get a little time for myself sometimes when I take a little 5 minutes, I have to jump up on.
Oh, yeah. True. Most righteous. Alright, then, so, see you bring back something to life, you know, as we say, just like you bring back dead to life. So, these are the appliance where you bring back to life, you know. Alright, so big up your pops.
Yeah, man.
Every time.
More strength and more life, you know.
Alright, then.
Good to see you pass through again.
Yeah, man, definitely.
You want to come in and touch up for go and still, you know, but you know, say.
Yeah, in the yard. Yeah, but at least you see the progress.
Come now, clear up them.
Go and clear them out.
Rumble, you know.
Lighten up the place more.
Make it uniform up, you know. So until you come back again, you know, see the thing uniform. Yeah.
Cut and clear.
Yeah, cut and clear, yeah.
Alright, that is it.
Yeah, man.
Most righteous.
That's a crew.
No, because I'm up on a mission, because I come from Elche, I'm going to circle somewhere, so I'm going to meet them now.
Okay, yeah.
And then I'm going to meet now for we'll take one of that journey.
Me, you know?
Yeah, man,
Some
definitely.
Blessing, you know?
Alright, then, cool.
Yeah. We'll see you again.
Alright. Well. Blessed love. So I'm here now, I'm back in Trenchtown. You know, I'm back here in Trenchtown, you know, after finishing visit Elizabeth. So now we're here in Trenchtown, I'm gonna pay a visit to Shanet. You know, Shanet now, little girl that they had the operation on her foot. It's been a while we haven't given her an update because she was in and out in the hospital, so we're gonna make a visit around there, you know, and check the father and get some update on what's been going on with her and everything, you know, because we got something as well for her as well too. So we'll go around there and pay a visit, you know, and get an update on what's been going on in our medical, you know, because she's been sick as well. And she's been in and out of hospital, so we're gonna get some info on what's been going on and everything, you know. So blessed love to all, blessed love to all, team. So we're here in Trenchtown, here upon the base. We have Esther there, aka Bombing Ball. That is the thing. So there we all go around on the block. You know the thing go. We have man like Prefect over there.
Big up, you know, extended family. You know. Come close to our end of the year, you know.
Yeah.
1 more month. Close off that segment, yeah.
Close it.
Go and stay safe. Do the right thing. Bless up.
Yes, sir. We have Mother Teresa over there.
My extended family, Atalo, one team, dream team, Oliver and Carl, Max and Mommy and family,
We have run out of breath.
All extended family just go and stay. So, okay, and loving Father Jehovah God who is up in the heaven, please I'm asking you for health, strength and protection, not just for me but for everyone in the entire universe. Amen.
Amen.
Yeah, all extended family. Christmas blessing, New Year blessing, love.
Every time.
Every time.
We have Naturalus. Naturalus, how you feeling now? You feeling much better? The flu, people the flu they have out natural himself, you know, so.
Grinding slow but grinding still, you know?
Yeah.
It's cool, man. I come on with that, man, you know? Just fight it, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on and fight it, you know?
Yes.
But grinding slow but grinding still.
Yes, yes.
One step at a time.
Yes.
Only one step.
Only one step. So if it was natural, I wasn't feeling well. You know, the flu, the kind of mashing down on the work, then we know when I put in and things. So kind of park him up, you know. You know, so hopefully, if you say grinding slow but grinding still.
Grinding slow but grinding still.
That is it. So, as you say, naturally been doing some work, so you know it goes already. So at least I'm feeling a little bit better because the flow been going around here, nothing Trenchtown. I'm glad I never come and catch it still. You know, no sir. Pear meringue me I eat right now. Yard up. Eh?
I don't want to talk too early because
pear meringue and roots.
coming to the end of the closing, you know, and the climate change. So the climate change, a lot of things change.
Yeah.
Flu come in, it change.
It's still a show natural, right?
Meringue man, you eat up the meringue seed, drink up the roots.
Yeah man, we have meringue in them, you know, and then we take one of them.
Alright.
Yes man.
That's what help right now.
The meringue seed, like you can't chew it.
Sarah! Sarah!
Little so come.
I don't want little fat.
Yeah. Just so come.
Just so come.
Him and not answer.
Yeah man.
Come Max. Relax, Max. Max a gangster. Max is well known, you know. Max once here about everybody know. The barking. Max had to mark the place now. So I was here. Max said I was here.
Relax yourself.
Max said I was here.
Come get talking.
You mean there?
Yeah, man.
Okay, alright. Hello. Hello, my friend. Hello, how you doing?
Fine.
It's long time don't see.
Me too.
Oh, long time don't see. How you doing?
I'm doing great.
You're doing great. You can sit down back now. You want to sit on the bed? You want to sit in the chair? Father of the year.
Good, you know.
Good while now, you know.
Good,
Father of the year. So, how is everything, my friend? Talk to me.
Fine.
Fine.
Yep, I did have a lot of fun today. But the sad thing was I didn't get to play with my friends because I couldn't go outside because it was my foot. And because I should just stay alone and play with myself. Well, sometimes I play with my sister. And sometimes I play alone.
Yeah. Sometimes.
Sometimes we do some silly stuff that make my sisters laugh.
Well, so you're having fun, say me, with your sisters, right?
Yes.
That's nice. Wow, you're looking wonderful. I like it, Kenra. Who done that for you?
My sister.
Your sister done it for you? You just wake?
I just awake, but sometimes I saw everyone playing, and sometimes I used to watch them playing.
Oh.
I wish I could do like them, but I can't play with them because they're too spiteful and they will hurt me. So I just stay by myself sometimes. Without no one beside my side, I feel kind of lonely. And where they hurt me at school, it feels like my heart was broken like everyone. I only have my friend Cheyenne. She was the only friend I need. She teach me a lot of nice stuff what I should do. And then when there used to be close friends.
Is she at school?
Yes. Sometimes they bully her. And I didn't want to hurt them because I didn't want to make them feel sabotage. And then I just sit by myself. And kids all around the school, they always tell lie on me.
They tell lie on you. But they're being naughty, right? They're on the naughty list. They're being naughty, but you're smarter than them. You're very smarter than them. And I like your attitude. So don't pay them no mind, okay? Because you know better. Alright?
Yes.
So it's nothing wrong if you want to be by yourself, you know, but at least you're going to have your daddy and your sister.
So I used to spend time, sometimes spend alone, outside, sitting on my favorite chair.
Yeah.
It was the comfiest chair I ever had.
Is it?
Yes.
Or is it outside there?
It was my outside day at school.
Oh, at school.
But I didn't feel like going outside. But everyone wanted to go, so they rushed me out to play. But I don't feel like playing. So I go back in the class and wait for my lunch to come. When I eat my lunch, all of them were trying to ask for some.
Some of your lunch?
Yes.
Did you give them any?
I used to give them. But sometimes I don't like to share.
Because they got already, right?
Yes. And only person that I share with is Harry. But he didn't share with me. And I stopped sharing with him.
Of course. Because he's not sharing with you, right?
I used to give him everything. But he don't want to give me.
Never mind. I bring to you something where you can be best friend with and you're gonna be comfortable with it. Okay?
I used to spend time with my best friend Teddy.
Teddy, what happened to Teddy? Teddy mash up now?
No, Teddy is just trying to get peace.
Okay. What about your dolls? You still play with them?
Yeah, but I'm 9. I'm done playing. So I put them, they were just a doll.
So what about you? Did you get your tablet yet?
Well,
Not yet.
no.
But you did make a wish, right? And you did wish for a tablet. Oh, but you believe in your wish? And your wish will come true, right? Okay, so from you believe in your wish will come true. You wanna bet? You wanna bet me say your wish is gonna come true? You can see the smile on his face, you got a smirk. Your wish is gonna come true, right? So don't worry, I'm gonna come back to you, right? So I guess your wish is gonna come true. Let me speak to your daddy for 1 minute and then come back to you, okay? Ready? Promise? Alright then. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, my friend. How are you?
I'm fine.
You fine?
Yes.
You can see. Wait, you got no cast? No cast on your legs?
Yes.
You come off already?
But irons are in the side.
What's happening in there?
Irons.
Is there iron inside?
Yes.
Yeah, from when you took them off. Why you never tell me you took them off?
I was at the hospital, but things was wrong. I see bandage on my foot,
Oh.
and I can't move.
Oh.
And when it done, my foot were covered with iron, and I tread over my part of my leg right here.
Okay, well, if daddy let me to talk to you today, we can go and talk to her, alright? Yeah, she'll give me all the information I need already. Yeah, so they take out the iron now off your foot?
No, they're not gone.
Oh, they're still inside?
Yes.
Oh, but your legs look beautiful.
Yes, I can walk on them.
You can walk on them now, innit? Wow. High five. High five. High five. Wow. You gonna walk, let me see? You gonna walk like I see then?
Yes.
Yeah, take your time. Wow. The more straight one. I'm a 4x4.
You want to go jog one, come back in a place and sit down.
So go back to the father for the year.
No.
Oh, go on. It's been a while, boy.
No.
It's been a while.
It's a long time, is it?
Yes. Because me here, the last time I come and check her, she was at the hospital.
Hospital, yeah. No, you go for an appointment, no? But the appointment there, it's like when I go to the hospital, run some check on her, she say she have a kidney problem. But that's a resolved right now still.
Okay.
I'm get medication feet and you got to take an ultrasound on there again and she said everything will clear up still.
Okay.
And I remember so we get medication fees.
Yeah.
And I have to buy children give me still. But finally renal clinic is there. And we still have to go up and close the report to them. I see a renal clinic and them say me come and children.
Okay.
So I report back to them back and forth. The same test them. If it not correspond, them will send me back to children. Yeah. So I have the renal, I have the endocrine, I go up and you will see where they are.
So at least so you do the ultrasound now, you see improvement.
Things can improve in our ways.
Okay.
So the must continue to get the salt with coconut water.
Oh, so that way you get salt with the coconut water.
I got special salt, them give me still a pot.
Oh, them give it the salt?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, 20 gram I eat 2 times a day. 20 gram in the morning, 20 gram in the evening. Half a beer, half a shake.
Okay. So you just buy the coconut water and then put it in it.
Coconut water about quick, because I can't keep it nice to freeze.
Oh yeah.
Keep it on a temperature of a fair better.
Okay.
So buy call it 6 of them for a week. Half of it, 1 buck of server.
Okay. Okay.
1 day I mean, 1 buck.
One day. When I gel them for okay, half an hour. And that'll work.
Yeah man.
Well, at first me but I wonder were good for kidney jelly water and the salt.
Continue to give us.
So the salt to them give, what that name?
Well, I don't remember my name right now. I can't show the packs. Lily? You want that salt?
Let me see the salt. So them have a different Epsom salt. Some different salt. But at least
we show because we get the thing for now. Let's call it.
Okay. Oh, that's at least carbonate.
So,
Can't see those.
Sure, a salt or baking powder.
I saw them say?
Yeah.
Look like
A carbonate, something my mother get.
So
My mother
this
get
the
it
water.
from.
Boil the water before it.
a baking
A baking soda.
soda.
They call it
Bicarbonate.
Carbonate.
Bicarbonate.
Yeah.
Bicarbonate.
Baking soda.
It look like salt, but I like a bicarbonate.
Yeah. A baking soda.
Like, you boil the water and you throw it in the water.
The jelly water, you boil it?
Yeah, you boil the water before you throw it.
Okay,
When
bicarbonate.
it's cool now, you give it. When it's cool. You can't put it in the fridge so it's still like yeah.
Okay, we just get it as tea.
And we give her tea, and we should drink it after.
Okay.
And we give her different medications. And the one that she had to take for her bone, we give her that same way. But them say, we still have to give her the same way.
For the bones then?
Yeah. Because if I give her that, it now will come back to the weight, isn't it? And it now come back to you, so I have to continue to give her that. But if I step it up, I come in to give her 10,
Yeah.
give her 6 more grams per day, I give her 16 grams per one day.
Up on the for the bones.
Yeah, for the bones.
After the same pink thing in the buckle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the bones they're more firm and and everything.
Because them say them say an improvement in the bones.
Yeah.
See the stand up, you can't see say.
Stand up straight. That's right there. Okay. Yes. Yeah, then even straight, I know. Yeah, even straight now. Walk for me, Shanet. Walk. Can you even straight, I know.
I see that one there, it's a nail. Because I say it's a
Walk come back now, Shanet.
nail them car. The pin right there, so. She have 2 pin right there, so you can't touch it in. See that? You see?
Oh,
One
sure. Oh, there's 2
And
pin there.
one over here, so. There's one on top of here, so one on top of here, so. So the one on the side that's the can't be on knee, but I take out that can't be on knee. But no one them say them not take it out now.
Not yet.
I wait till next year, March. As them take it out and she not been on knee, so I put it in back.
Oh. So next year, March before them take it out.
Yeah, 6. They have orthopedic. In the next 6 months, a March are coming.
Okay.
So continue with our medication. See that? For children. We get our medication. That is the key. On the 9th of November, we get the rest of it.
Okay.
We have different prescription again. Because it's a continue film this. You know, stop off.
Yeah. And the greatest thing, we've seen improvement on both the kidney and both our legs them and the bones them. And that's supposed to take a lot off of your shoulder, right?
I tell you more, bet me more focus. Because when time, you know, I don't know.
Yeah.
It have me a lot thinking and do that. You see me, let me break down enough time.
Yeah, I understand.
No, I don't see that.
Yeah, true.
No, see progress and know so boy, progress. Give thanks, you see me?
Yes, I.
So we're going and
improvement.
Yeah, man.
Improvement. So, okay. Shanet, the way you look so sad, looking so sad. Come sit on the bed. Try to wish for something. Smile, man. You're looking so sad. Where's your sister? She in there? What's your name again? Next one. Ben. She not come. Oh, Ben, I watch played. Oh, Ben, I watch played. So we got a gift for you as well too. Oh, we got a gift for you as well too. Okay. And with the knapsack, give me the knapsack. So this, remember the name? Auntie Nana. Nana. Okay, so we have a bag here for you from Nana. Yeah, well, I think stuff in there to share with your sister. But you want to open the bag? Let's open it. So we have this here, that bag here, Father for the year from Nana, you know, Auntie Nana.
Auntie Nana, thank you very much. What a grateful thing, I blessed season, you see me?
Yeah.
Thank you very much again for you don't know the first of season and give thanks, you see me?
Yeah.
And respect where you are right on Auntie Nana, you see?
Yeah, so I get stuff in there. So here, so you want to thank Auntie Nana?
Thank you very much. I support Auntie Nana.
Hey, okay. But you can look in, I think you got stuff in there for you and your sister. Because I know you like to share, so you will share anyway. Right? I guess the sizes then. Look on them, Daddy. I think, I guess that's a doll for her. That's for that's for you there. Oh, you get one more doll. You got a doll here.
Is this for me?
Yeah, that's for you. You like it?
Yes.
So you're gonna give her a name soon, okay? So you know the size of my already, Daddy. So you know what's best. And this, I don't know what's in this. It's for you, Shanet. It's got your name on it. See, it's got your name on it. So you wanna open it? Yeah, open it from the back there. It's got tape on it.
I name her Buttercup.
And you name her Buttercup. You wanna open it?
Yes.
You're gonna name her Buttercup from Powerpuff Girls?
Yes.
See? I used to watch that when I was younger. Powerpuff Girls. Buttercup.
Oh, the favorite character, Bubbles. I'm not good at wrapping up tape.
Open it right there. You can feel that lift off the top there. I don't want to see.
It smells delicious, but I'm not eating it.
It's not. You check it first. It's not anything to eat. You think it's for eat? No, it's not. Look. Oh.
I can share it with my sister.
Okay. From Auntie Nana. So thank you, Auntie Nana.
Thank you, Auntie Nana. Thank you very much.
Okay. And we got. Okay, no, okay, alright. Alright, sit down. Come sit down back on the chair because the foot not supposed to be hanging down. And we got another bag from Roxanne. So we got another gift here for you from Roxanne.
Oh.
Oh, you want to tell Roxanne thank you?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I support it. It was a big gift for me.
Okay. So you got loads of stuff in there. Wow. Wow. My daddy. Where is it there? Up there, is it there? No, is it in the pan? Wow, you got
clips.
You got clips for your hair.
Wow. Kind of special. A hair dryer.
Wow, let me see. Oh, that's a bubble. Yes. You spray, you get bubbles. Yay. Oh, you got glasses and bag.
Nice gift.
Wow.
We got 2, 3.
This is the bubbles. More bubbles. I think you put this inside of that to make your bubbles in here. To make your bubbles.
Okay. I could use your hair to put bubbles.
Yeah. But it's like, you know, when you blow the bubbles with the soap.
Bubbles.
Yeah, the soap one. You go squeeze it and it's the pure bubbles coming out. Loads of them. Yeah. So I've got one more gift for you, last but not least. You wanna close your eyes? Close your eyes. Yeah. The last but not least. You peeping? No peeking. No peeking. You can open your eyes now. Is that what you wish for, your tablet?
Yes.
Yes.
It's biggest tablet.
Hey. Wow.
Let's see.
Wow.
Samsung.
So you want to thank Rose and husband. So thank Rose.
Thank you, Rose. I always wanted a tablet.
So her name is Rose.
Thank you very much. I can't thank you a lot. It's so much to appreciate.
Daddy, and thank Rose and her husband.
Rose and husband, why give her a surprise on the Christmas. I'm glad for that too, because that goes out right now. For sister, she gets something she needs, isn't it? Because she'll have beat me down for once. And I promise her, but and I know years that, but she gets it in her Christmas and give thanks.
Yeah.
See me again, Rose and husband. Aye.
So it had a case as well, so the case had to put it in there.
Well, we love to, as I say,
open it now.
the festive season here. We're glad she gets it still. Well, the job feel right, you know, to do a lot of things on it. You see, homework and such a support, right? As I say, she does not get it to the eye grade. Just homework and studying, because she have we call it now, coming up, pep.
Okay.
You have to pepper up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, even time you have to have her management, isn't it?
Yes, she get a gift.
It's true, she lost the hospital for 1 year last year and she go and go still. I say true, she go and go feel well because the teacher them say, me say, you see me? But I just put in my touch as a woman, them say.
Yes, sir.
And respect me for come and go and write and all because she get her homework. But just dead and she say, I don't have to tell her.
She know.
Yeah, she know, and you have to do the same way, because sometimes she feel like she know and she overdo it and get the thing done. So my sister is smart. And
Yeah, man, she's very
when
smart.
she don't know it, she ask me. And that's the key. You see me?
Yes, sir.
You don't force and run go do a thing. If you don't know it, you ask.
True.
I'm going to show you example and then you will go off and that's you see?
Yeah, yeah.
See that.
Yeah, man, she know, man. So you like it? You like your tablet?
Yes.
Very wonderful. So thank Rose. Thank you, Rose.
Thank you
Rose.
so much. How much you hard work you do for it? I wonder.
Thank her again, yeah, for your tablet.
Thank you. Thanks for so much gift.
Okay, so Daddy may have also have 15,000 as well to from Rose and her husband to help out a situation.
And I good things to learn and give thanks, because when I first have seen them, she see me I get a little trouble. So I go far away with she. You see me? Because I she. It's right on her she, and I say boy, I say she, because sometimes I go out for the longer one, you see?
Yeah.
And so the other one there, I have to focus on she most of all still, because I want to come up and know some boy, your father is dead.
Yeah.
And other people help me with all this process. So give thanks to us, my
Oh,
husband, you see?
yes.
I want to keep up the good thing for me, yeah?
Yeah.
And thank you very much again, you see?
Yeah. So it's 15,000.
15. Give thanks again, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you, Rose and husband. Blessed Christmas will come. Happy New Year will come.
Yeah.
Thank you.
See, Shanet, wish to come true, right?
Yeah.
So you got enough company now. You have your tablet for your company.
Thank everyone, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone. It's so much for me.
So you got so much company. Look at how many companies you got to play with. Right?
That
So,
means I'll never be lonely again.
eh?
That means I'll never be lonely.
That means you never be lonely again, right? See, you got company. Merry Christmas. Comes very early. Alright? So take care, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna see you next time, right?
Yeah.
So when I see you next time, you're in I Spirit, right? So you're gonna tell me what name you're gonna call your tablet. Okay?
See me when you call it Samsung.
Hey, top of the class. Father for the year.
Alright.
Anything going on? Big up yourself,
Say
you
things that you know, you know, respect again, yeah?
Yes, I.
I'll say things that you know.
Alright, then.
I help me out a lot still, you see?
I want to give thanks.
I did it from day one, you know, I never forgot it. You see? And
Still there,
I know
see.
all of the people, you know, it goes out for the Christmas, you see? And the New Year's, so. Have a blessed New Year's and Christmas, same way still, yeah?
Yes, I.
Take care of yourself.
Alright, then. Yes, sir.
Which grade you in now? Which grade you in?
She good, she good.
I shall go down three. Grade 3.
Oh, September.
So how much now again?
9.
9. Yes, 9. I'm sure already intelligent boy. So imagine. Yeah. Bye bye, Shanet.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Max, you still here? Max, they are watching here. Yeah, man, bless him. Well, so, you know, we're heading into Arnett Gardens. You know, we're into Arnett Garden. This is the Arnett, which is called Jungle and Arnett Garden. Well, the same, you know, we're going to Arnett Garden. I think over by Jonestown side. You know, by Jonestown, you know, so I know a lot of times when I come from Jonestown and then place there. You know, but I got a friend of mine that I haven't seen him for years. He used to in the UK, you know, so he's the one I'm gonna be connect with, you know, and giving some insight of what's going on, you know. So it's been a while, you know, so I'm heading into Jonestown right now. He used to be, aye, they used to be my twin. He's there in England, but she put on weight now. Oh shit! Cool man. Dear one, this you know, UK Virgin. Man put on weight. What the man I eat, man?
I want them to say starve, me a starve. You said I link the big man. Good look walk, so.
Yeah, we'll go walk over the summer park. Come let's park over there, so get to the black half. Yeah.
Yeah, dead bro. Bad.
You never get to see me?
No.
Oh, you're good, man. You're good. You're good. All is well.
Yeah.
Big up. Yeah, man. Yeah. I try to catch you on the face.
Yeah, I get the face, man. That's the name I got catch. That's one a friend like that, but associate, you get me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Along.
Yeah, you watch what go on?
Yeah, man, and with the pan ground same. We are Omar them come from time, Mark Gold in them, Sarah, and the rest them just come check in where everyone. We do some positive moves. I mean, police and more time than talk, ask if you know.
Okay.
Understand? So the social media blogger, the person who come from Trenchtown, rise up and try to do some influential things, build houses.
Yeah.
Understand? Help students and so on. It's very, very important. You're a very, very important aspect of the development of our community.
True.
Greater Trenchtown, because some people believe the Trenchtown is a 7th Street.
No.
The whole place at
Trenchtown. Now the tell them to Trenchtown go all the way up.
To Russell Road. So, again, they are very impactful. I appreciate what they're doing from the people I tell you,
Yeah.
I'm me as a district constable living in the community. I appreciate what they're doing. You understand? Because you're lesson for our work.
Yes, true.
You understand?
True.
So we really appreciate it. Just continue doing the good. Alright, watch this now. I am a working person, you know, but at the end of the day, we just fall in for ensure say nobody, no violence interrupt the program while going. You understand me?
True.
Like if you know what's paving and so on and going.
Yeah.
You understand me? But as a district council in the community, we just fall in and ensure say we facilitate the process and make sure we do our thing, you understand?
Yes.
So the young youth, even if they think they want to get involved in some negative things, once them soap on the ground, that is it. So everybody has to play a part and you have to play a role. So big up yourself.
Yeah, man, I respect, man, you know. Because we don't go and know so well, them so are going to know so we have to do the right thing, you know. Because I know I'm not going to meet the man himself, bowling, you know, because...
No, when we come around, you go through, you know. One at a time, them walk because, of course, you know, say, security is a major part of what I do.
Yeah.
So when we come around, one at a time, when you build a house, and they do the floor and thing.
Yeah.
We're actually going around, and by the time we go through, so, what the ball name, we work at Water Commission.
JJ?
No, Fast Year Father. Fast Year Father.
Okay.
Yeah, man, when we go through him, I come back to us, so that's a good reason. Them time they do war, you understand me?
Yeah.
Peace with them and make sure so the thing, you understand me?
Yeah.
So just continue, keep on keeping on as them say, positive words.
Yeah, man, definitely, man.
Farmer is in there. Farmer.
Yeah. Alright then, big up my general, yeah? Much respect. Alright, cool. Yeah, man. Alright then, cool. Alright. Yeah, keep him on the right place. Right, so you know the direction of the right. Yeah, say for there. Yeah, man. Something hotter. Yeah, man, so you know, so that's the police as well to have the community, you know. With the politician them and with the good work as well. And them still are going, so you know, so they're hearing. So they are rolling through Jonestown, you know. You know, we have a lot of viewers as well too. Also from Jonestown, so I'm here right now in your town. You know, we just walk up the road. You know, the whole place at Trenchtown. You know, the whole place at Trenchtown. So anyway, it goes there. It does didn't kind of change up size, different size, but it's all one Trenchtown. So they are now in Jonestown. You know, a lot I don't know about. Another place. So there with a long time friend of mine from the UK, O'Shea, talented youth as well too. You know what I'm saying? Blessed me general, blessed. We're there here in Jonestown, we're there on George Bank, you know, headquarters, a man who hold along the piece. When
they might have book appointment. Funny thing appointment, you know, they have a book appointment.
Oh shit.
Yeah, big brother.
You something, man. Yeah.
Alright at the moment. Just wake up, eh?
No, man, always just wake up, Miss come knock your door and say, yo, shake, you something to me.
Knock out and I'm far.
Yes, you don't come to the music leaving, you can't leave anyway.
Can't leave, I swear, man. I have a little draft.
Draft. Ludi have, man, and a draft, man. So, Ludi have, man, damn it, man, what kind of draft? Music you pass.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.